Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another breakfast recipe. In this breakfast I am going to add mostly fruits. If we take healthy breakfast, our intestine absorb the vitamins. If we take unhealthy breakfast, also the intestine absorb, but we get the different reflection, different benefit. In my breakfast, I'm going to use apple, banana, grapes, pomegranate, orange, with that jaggery. For different taste, I'm going to add roasted peanuts too. All of my breakfast I used to use apple because I love apple, and also the apple is a very nutritious fruit in the earth that everyone likes. I have added fresh grapes to my breakfast, but if you want more taste you can add raisins. Raisins are more taste than the fresh grapes because the fresh one little bit sour taste. I love to use pomegranate in my breakfast. That also wonderful nutritious fruit. It contains fiber, protein, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium. Peanuts. Peanuts are originated in South America. They are called by different names such as groundnuts, peanuts, goobers, earth nuts. Peanuts are packed with healthy fats, high quality protein, and also high in calories. Orange. When we hear citrus fruits, we first remember orange. With vitamin C and antioxidants, oranges have multiple health benefits. Banana. Banana is the extremely healthy and delicious fruit in the world. It contains several essential nutrients. Especially banana helps in digestion. In my breakfast, I'm going to add jaggery instead of honey. Our elders always suggest jaggery. Jaggery packed with antioxidants, minerals such as zinc and selenium. Okay, now let's go to make the breakfast. For this healthy breakfast, you need half of chopped apple, grapes, and pomegranate, roasted peanut, 1 orange chopped, and jaggery, because jaggery and roasted peanut is going to change the taste. It's a rich taste, so I like to add jaggery. I can use the honey, the change of the taste. I use the jaggery. And 1 banana, so organic banana. First I add chopped apple, orange, and I add some pomegranate. Pomegranate is good for cleansing your blood. And I'm going to add this banana, cut as a square pieces. This is just for 1 serving. And then I'm going to add roasted peanuts and the jaggery. And then you mix it. Here you can add mangoes, strawberries, kiwis, so the taste will be more richer. And you can add organic palm tree jaggeries. That will be more good taste. This is a really excellent breakfast. We need to eat in the morning. In the empty stomach always is the best eating fruits. That's it, it's done. I hope you will try this breakfast, because if I have achieved some benefits or goodness to my health, I really like to share with you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Here you can add strawberries, kiwis and raspberries, mangoes. The taste will be more nice. This is a really excellent breakfast. We need to eat in the morning. In an empty stomach always is the best eating fruits. That's it, it's done.